Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today for this eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Always Blushin eyeshadow palette. I've had this for a while and I haven't had a chance to use it, so today is the day. Starting off with my transition color, this is just a light beige, and of course going in the crease. I'm kind of taking it everywhere. This is just a good blending shade, a good shade to start off with, and I apologize if it's noisy today, but I am outside. It's a Saturday morning, so you know, the commotion is just getting started. I took that light pinky shade and that's going in the crease, and I'm also taking it in the inner corner and in the outer V because I'm going to be doing a halo look today. I also posted this on my TikTok and a lot of people enjoyed it, so you guys are getting like the full version. So now I'm taking this dark burgundy brown and this little fluffy brush by Sigma. I think it's the E36. This is really good if you have small eyes and even hooded eyes. I'm just putting it right in the crease, as you can see, kind of flaring it out a little bit. But I'm also going to take this color into the outer corner and the inner corner. Again, doing that halo look. I really like the way this look turned out, guys. I love it. I love it. This is the little Rimmel eyeshadow brush that comes in their eyeshadow palettes. I love it. If I could buy like 50 of them, I totally would. This is such a good brush, especially if you have small eyes, but even if you have big eyes, you could totally use it and it'll work fine. So now I'm going into this like kind of like rosy pinky eyeshadow. It was a bit dark, so I wanted to add a little, you know, extra punch. So I took a little pinky, that pinky champagne color, put it right in the middle, and boom, look how pretty it is, guys. So pretty. I still do recommend layering those two shadows. I don't know, I really liked the effect. So if you're gonna do this look, definitely layer those two shimmers. Now I'm doing my regular concealer routine. You guys know the drill with my new favorite concealer, the Hourglass Airbrush Concealer, and then my favorite setting powder, DERMA Blend. So now I'm going in with the lightest shade in the palette. This is the perfect brow bone highlight. I'm just putting it right underneath my eyebrow, but also cleaning up, not cleaning up, but like blending out my eyeshadow edges so they're just a little more soft. Nothing crazy. And then I'm taking the dark burgundy shade, putting that on the outer half of my lower lash line, and then I'm picking up like the pinky shade that I used earlier and blending the lower lash line out so it's nice, smooth, smoky. I did put on false lashes today. I used the Ardell Wispies. They're like my favorite. I love it. So I popped those on, and then the look is donezo. It's so pretty. If you have green eyes, this palette is going to make them pop like crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!